Hey guys, I'm not going to do all these problems because I don't think it really helps you for me to type them in, but I'm going to explain them all anyway. We're going to go on to 39 today and the ones that match up with this on your test. Okay, so this first one is asking if they're inverses. In the notes, I explained to you, inverses undo each other. So what you're looking for here is you're looking to see if when you multiply them in both directions, A times B and B times A, if they undo each other, which would give us that identity matrix, which has ones down the main diagonal. Okay, so I'm not going to do this one in my calculator because it'll take me a long time, but you're going to type this guy into your matrix A. Remember, you'll go to second matrix. I'll write it down. Then you'll go over to edit and you'll put that in. It's a 3 by 3 and you'll put that in. Then you'll put this guy into matrix B using the same process. Then you'll do second quit to get to the main screen. And then you'll do second matrix. And this time you won't edit them. You'll just actually select matrix A. Then you'll hit times. Then go to second matrix again. Select matrix B, and you will see if you get that identity matrix. You'll need to do it in both directions, A times B and B times A to make sure you get it. You want me to guess? I'm going to guess yes. Yeah. All right. Now, I can find the inverse by hand. You do not have to. You could put that into your matrix A. Okay. And then when you get to the main screen, you can go to A inverse. It will probably give you fraction. So then you can hit math 1. This is all explained in the lesson video, but I'm actually going to do this by hand. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is find what we call the determinant, which determines if there even is a matrix. And that is AD minus BC. You multiply these guys, 7 times 7, which is 49, minus B times C, which would be 4 times 5, which is 20. So it does have an inverse, and the determinant is 29. Okay, then what the formula is, it's 1 over the determinant, and this is right in those notes. And each one of these things, you do one thing. So on this one, we will switch places, which when we switch places, it actually will be, because of the same number, they switch. And these two guys, you change the signs. So it's a -4 and a -5. Once again, your calculator can do all of this if you don't want to worry about doing it by hand. You would multiply through everybody, and we will get lots of fractions here. So I can get 7 over 29, -4 over 29, 5 over 29, and 7 over 29. Again, you could use your calculator. That's okay. No one's going to judge you. Okay, we've done this quite a few times. All right, we're going to create our matrix equation. So you're going to put all the coefficients here, -5, -1, and 3. There'll be a 0 in this spot, an 8 and a 7, a -2, a 4, and a 2. And then you have an XYZ. And then you have a -12, -37, -16. I actually am going to do this one because quite a few of you, I don't think, are watching the videos and try to do these by hand on the quiz and you missed them. So maybe you'll be watching now, but let's be honest, probably not, but that's fine. I'm going to type this guy into my A. I'm going to type this guy into my B. And then to get XYZ by itself, we're going to type into our calculator A inverse B. That will undo both sides. And that will give me the identity here, and this will be the answer. So I'm going to go to my calculator. I'm going to edit matrix A. It's a 3 by 3. No. Okay, what do I got here? Can I see it? -5, -1, 3, 0, 8, 7. Is that a -2? 4 and 2. Okay, I think this is it, guys. Then second quit. Okay, second matrix. Now we're going to enter B. Go over to edit. B is going to be a 3x1. -12. -37. And -16. Okay, so now we'll just do the second matrix. This time we're going to select it. So just hit 1A, inverse, second matrix, B. Now it tells our solutions. 1, -2, -3. So our solution is 1, -2, -3. Okay. I wonder how long. I'm going to stop this in case you guys are bored of this and then start a new video so that you can find the questions you need.